Autodesk Vault 2025 is here and ready to deliver enhancements that will enable you to accelerate your overall design creation and data management experience. Here are the highlights. Clear and effective communication is vital for any team, so we're excited to announce enhanced email notifications in Vault. This new capability allows the administrator to define a user or group of users to be notified when a lifecycle state change occurs. This can be set up on specific lifecycle definitions for multiple files and objects within Vault. Administrators can configure this capability to work with multiple email providers such as Google, Microsoft, or any other provider. They can also create email templates that can leverage text, images, and Vault properties in order to more clearly communicate information to stakeholders. Email recipients can be selected from existing users and groups, but can also be defined based off profile attributes such as company name. Finding what you're looking for quickly is a key pillar of any PDM system. For 2025, we're improving how criteria-based searches function. In the past, it was difficult to reuse criteria within a saved search in other areas of Vault. Now, users can easily use criteria across different folders, simply by applying the criteria and then navigating to other areas in Vault. These criteria can then also be applied in a grid search, as well as distributed searches saved on the Vault server. Users can then further refine results with text searches while these criteria are applied. These improvements will reduce the number of clicks required to find the exact information team members are looking for. We've made quite a few enhancements with copy design over the years, and now Vault Basic users can take advantage of many of these capabilities, including the ability to reset property values, easily perform find and replace functions on name and path text, as well as define action rules based on file criteria. For administrators, we've made improvements to the purge function to help you keep your Vault environment optimized for peak performance. You can now purge on lifecycle transitions as well as purge folder contents. This helps keep the file store size under control, improving your backup times and other areas related to performance. Security is always an important area we focus on improving. For 2025, we've enhanced Vault account password protections by allowing you to enforce password complexity requirements such as minimum length, lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. For the thin client, we've added more administrator options for customizing the interface. You can now hide or unhide the file, item, and change order workspace, as well as set a specific workspace as the default landing page. You can even upload a custom logo. Each release of Autodesk Vault includes productivity-enhancing functionality. Streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and take control of your product development process with Autodesk Vault 2025.